This
Hello.
conference will now be
Okay,
this
fine.
conference will now be recorded.
So, Anu, first of all, we are starting with the Python. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, what the Python is. Okay. Before Python, let's discuss that. What do you know about the Python? What is our programming language according to you?
By which we can means we can instruct any machine to work on
Hmm. Okay.
the
So
instruction mainly.
the same.
It's like
That is
instruction
fine.
same way.
Like we are interacting with each other, and the English is our medium of it's a medium. Okay.
Medium.
Uh, okay, by which we are interacting with each other. In the same way, whenever you want to interact with the machine, okay, whenever you want to interact with the machine, you want to talk with machine, so you need a language which known as the programming language. Okay.
Okay.
Not only Python is a programming language, there are n numbers of the programming language, and there are further types of the programming language as well. Okay, so
Okay.
here our first type of the language, okay, that is our how. Let me show you an example. The four types of language are there.
Okay.
Let me
What
increase
type
the
of
size.
language?
Yes, programming languages.
Okay.
Okay, four type of programming language. One is my
Excuse me, can I
procedure.
ask you one thing?
Sure, sure, sure.
This Go to Meeting app is not downloading in my MacBook.
Okay, it's not
I
downloading in your MacBook.
yeah
So you
means
can
when
like
I search Go to Meeting, then it shows like no result found.
so that is not like it's an app. You can directly link with you got a link that you have to join at this link. Whenever you are clicking your link, that will be open into your new tab. So that will be
Okay.
how
Okay.
this will be work. As you can see
Okay.
that here, I got a link on my WhatsApp, and whenever I click on the link, a new tab will be there
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
here four type of language I have. That is one is my procedure.
Okay.
Second one is my object oriented.
Okay.
Third one is my functional. Fourth
Okay.
one is my non-procedural. Okay.
Okay.
Now this two procedural and object-oriented language work on how?
Okay.
Okay. How means let us suppose you want to create a banking application. Okay. Let's suppose you want to create a banking application which
Fine.
deal with okay which deal
Okay.
with n numbers of customers, which deal with the
Yes.
managers, okay, which deal with the n numbers of customer, which deal with the manager. Okay, a customer can recharge, add money, withdraw amount. You have to save
Yeah.
each and everything. Okay, that
Okay.
is your requirement. That is your requirement that this you want to create. Now
Okay.
how you have to do this, how you have to write a logic behind this so that you can perform this type of the functionality. That is our how, that is considered our that how you have to implement this concept that comes under procedural
How? Okay.
and
Procedure and
object
all
oriented.
object.
Object oriented.
Okay.
Functional language is somehow which perform some functions, that is our JavaScript. Okay, there is a language named as a
Okay.
JavaScript which is my
Yeah.
functional programming language. Okay.
Okay.
Now here the fourth one is my that is our non-procedure. Okay. Now
Okay.
here non-procedure work on what? Okay.
Known
That is my
procedure.
one. Non-procedure work on a what? Okay. There is no need to write
What?
something because our
Okay.
meeting is going to be recorded, and you will also
Okay.
get the link of our
Video.
recorded video. Okay.
Okay.
You will
Okay.
go the recorded video as well.
Okay. Then.
Okay. Non-procedure is deal with the what? Okay. Rest you can
Okay.
also talk with the Archana as well. that you got a recorded video, because here you can see that our video is going to record. So I hope so that you
Recording.
will got a.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
non-procedure work on a what? Okay. Now
Mhm.
how this what will work? Let us suppose you have created an application that is a banking application. Okay.
Okay.
You are the customer. Let us suppose you are the customer of of an bank. Okay, and you want to check the amount, that how much amount you have in your account balance. Okay, so that
Okay.
is a what you want to check, how much amount you have. Okay, that is a what you want to find something, you want to get something from that. Okay, which deal with the
Okay.
what that is our non-procedure. So now I am going to
Okay.
discuss it what type, what the program, what our
Means
language,
it's
which
work after we make the application. What? Right?
but which like which deal with the data, which deal with the databases.
The data.
That is
Okay.
our work.
Fine.
Okay, so now what which languages comes under procedure and object oriented. Okay, that was the type of the programming language. Now which languages comes under these type of the languages. C
Okay.
is our mother language, as you know that C is
Yeah,
our mother
I know.
language.
Yes.
C is our procedure language only. Okay.
Okay.
So, like we have to define some of the function, like void main function. We have to write the logic inside it. Then that type of the functionality will be executed. Okay.
Okay.
Now another thing that we have somehow our object oriented. Okay. There is another one more language named as a C++.
Yes.
Okay. So this was
Okay.
introduced after C with the concept of the OOPS concept, that is my object oriented programming structure.
It's structure.
Double
Right.
O by double OP, object oriented, P for programming, S for structure, OOPS concept.
Okay.
Okay, this
Okay.
C++ was the object oriented. Now we have a Java
Okay.
as well. Okay, Java is my object oriented.
Function.
Now,
Object
if
oriented.
I'm if I'm talking about the Python, okay,
Hmm.
Python belong to both of them. It is our procedural languages as well as our object-oriented language. You can perform the
Okay.
task without using the concept of the OOPS. In a Python, you can also implement the concept by procedural type of the concept. You can also use the concept that is our OOPS concept in a Python as well. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have n number of languages such as Perl. Okay. We have somehow the Perl other languages as well. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have somehow a functional type of a languages. Okay. Functional
Okay.
says our JavaScript. Basically, whenever we are clicking, which deal with the uh, functions on a web. Okay, that is our JS.
Okay.
Now, non-procedure, as I said, that which work on a database or data, which we have to work on a what, that is our data, that is our SQL. Okay. I
Can you
hope you
repeat
have
it, please? Last line.
SQL. Then SQL. Some of the we can pronounce as a SQL, SQL.
Voice
Some
again. Voice breakdown. You have to repeat it again.
okay, okay, sure. Here it's SQL. Let me write down here. You can pronounce as a this type of a SQL or SQL. Both are the same.
Functional language is JavaScript, right?
JavaScript,
After
yes.
that, you are telling me
Non-procedure,
about non-procedural.
that is my SQL, SQL. I hope you know about
Okay.
that SQL, that which
Yeah, yeah.
deal with our data. And in our college
Yes.
time, we have a concept name as a RDBMS.
Yes.
So by which how I can deal with my RDBMS with the help of a SQL, that is our non-procedure type of the language. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going with a Python. That why we are using a Python. Okay, Python is very
Mm.
easy as compared to other languages. Okay, Python is
Okay.
everywhere. Our most famous application, that is our Instagram. Okay, the backend of the Instagram is written in a Python. Okay, now
Okay.
Python
Okay.
has n numbers of uses. Python has my n numbers of uses. Python can be used for the, let me write down here. First one, I'm saying that web development.
Okay.
Okay, then we have a software development. Okay, we have a gaming application. Okay.
Okay. Any kind of application we can
Mhm.
create that.
Okay,
Okay.